In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on Coinbase. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency trading or simply interested in exploring futures, by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get started with trading futures on this platform. First, you'll want to navigate to Coinbase.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your account credentials. If you're not yet a member, you'll need to create an account, but for today's purpose, we're assuming you're already signed in. Your dashboard will be the launching point for all trading activities. Next, when you're in your account, look for the option labeled Advanced. This setting is crucial because it extends beyond the basic trading options, granting you extra features that are essential for futures trading. Once you select Advanced, shift your attention to the top of the page and locate the Futures tab. Clicking on this tab will take you into the dedicated futures trading area of Coinbase. Now, before placing any trades, check your futures wallet balance. It's critical that you have adequate funds deposited within your futures wallet. If you find yourself short of funds, you can transfer your digital currency from another Coinbase wallet directly into your futures wallet. When your wallet is ready, you'll be presented with a list of trading pairs. Here, you can choose the pair you wish to trade. For instance, a common one is BTC Perp, a perennial favorite in cryptocurrency futures trading. Picking the right trading pair is key since it decides which assets you're dealing with. After selecting your trading pair, your next step is to determine the order type. Here you have options such as market orders, which are executed immediately at current prices, or limit orders, where you set the price you're willing to buy or sell at. Each type has its unique advantages depending on your trading strategy. So choose one that aligns well with how you approach trades. Then, decide the position size and the leverage factor you wish to apply to your trade. The position size specifies how much of the asset you plan to trade, while leverage allows you to potentially amplify your trading gains or losses by using borrowed funds. Remember, handling leverage requires an understanding of the risks involved, so proceed cautiously. Finally, to execute your trade, you'll either click Buy, Wash Long, or if you anticipate the asset's price will rise, or Sell Short if you predict a drop in price. This action places your order into the market, and from there, you'll be actively entered into a futures trade on Coinbase. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on trading futures on Coinbase. Always make sure to keep learning and stay informed about market conditions and risks associated with futures trading. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading!